Hey Velomobile fans, I have a new product for you, and that is a alignment device. For aligning, you could use it for trikes as well, but it's primarily intended, of course, for Velomobiles. There's two versions of it. There's this taller version, and there will be a shorter version. The taller version is for open wheel wells. The shorter version is for closed wheel wells because you can't you can't get underneath the closed part to access the wheel so easily. So there are towers on either side. They're adjustable with this bolt, and what you do is one you just set basically permanently. The other side you'll adjust so that it's up against the front of the wheel wells, or the front of the wheel, or the rear of the wheel against the rim. And then there's this little stop piece. Once you have this adjusted in the right place, you tighten down the stop piece, and then you can remove this, pull it out, go to the other side of the wheel, push the tower up against the wheel, and then check where it is relative to the stop point, and then make adjustments from there. There's a video on my website on the listing for the device that shows you how to do the adjustment for the track. I've made this tube. This is a new addition to it as an option. You can also just get a piece of aluminum that's 20 by 20 millimeters and then a meter long. But I have this tube. I'm limited in how long of a piece that I can print on the print bed. So I've made it so that it can be taken apart. And you can also, in these holes, put bolts, or I might try 3D printing some pins to fit in there. That makes it easier for me to ship. It makes it easier for you to store. And it makes it so that I can actually print the tube. For me to print the tube probably costs about the same as buying an aluminum tube. So it really comes down to whether or not you want to make multiple orders, or you want to make it easy. It's up to you, but I wanted to offer it as an option. So I'll add this to my store. Actually, it's already there. It's www.northlandvelo.eu. And I'm also looking at maybe stocking a couple of these in the US as well.